Hi, I'm Frankie and I'm one of the co-founders at Bloomwise, but I also help deliver the workshops as well. I'm super passionate about mental health because I've been in a workplace where there are little to no initiatives, and I know the impact that it can have on you and your well-being. So I want to help give other people the skills to be able to look after themselves, but also others.
Hello, I'm Paris and I'm one of the co-founders here at Bloomwise and also one of the workshop assistants. I'm really passionate about mental health through my own experiences with panic disorder and depression. And I also have done a Ph.D. at the University of Birmingham, so I'm fully aware of the importance of looking after your well-being during a Ph.D. I'm really looking forward to seeing you at our workshops.
Hi, I'm Margot. I'm a workshop assistant for Bloomwise and I'm a postgraduate researcher in the School of Psychology. So I'm passionate about mental health and I really love delivering Bloomwise workshops because I think they're a great way to normalize conversations about mental health, and I also really enjoy seeing how they empower people to take care of their own well-being.
Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a mental health workshop assistant at Bloomwise, but I'm also a Ph.D. student at the University of Birmingham, and I'm delivering these mental health workshops because I'm very much an advocate for mental health, and I think mental health is really important for all students at the University of Birmingham, and I'm hoping that you're going to enjoy.